Hey guys, I was watching TikTok the other day, and you have to admit they have some funny stuff on there and a few good recipes, and I happened to come across these bell pepper sandwiches, and I thought, that might be a good idea. So what we're going to do, I haven't tried them, so we're going to try them together today and see how they turn out. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's kick things off here by slicing our bell pepper in half. Something like that. Pop the core out. Something like that. Comes out fairly easily. I can take a spoon and remove any excess seed in here. It's a seedy character, so you gotta get that out. Now after we have all the seeds out, and of course I washed these, I'm going to take some urban garlic cream cheese and spread it into the bottom. Now you can use any kind of cream cheese, I just love the urban garlic. So we get a nice layer, something like that. A few slices, maybe 2 slices of deli ham. Now you can use chicken, whatever you like. Okay. A layer of lettuce, some tomato. Now really guys, the sky is the limit with this. You can use whatever you like. You can use some avocados in there, but this is my favorite, so that's what I'm going to use. Next up, some more cheese, and I'm using the old sharp cheddar, my favorite cheese, but of course, go ahead and use yours. And life wouldn't be good without a little bit of salt. And some ground black pepper that I love so much. And just for some good luck, I'm going to put a little bit more cream cheese in the top. And we'll just go ahead and cut this in half. And just look at this, guys. Absolute goodness. Now we're going to make up my old standby tuna salad by adding a can of tuna. And this is tuna in water, and I've drained it. And of course you can use tuna in oil as well. Next up, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of mayo. And I should add, you can use as much or as little mayo as you want. If you want it nice and creamy, add more, or not so creamy, add less. And about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and I use this recipe in a lot of videos, and it is so good. But 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, another 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now you can use some cayenne in here or some Tabasco if you want a bit of heat to it, but I'm not going to do that today. And about a tablespoon of fresh cilantro, just so those flavors pop. And a chopped up green onion. Last but not least, a little squirt of lemon, just to make those flavors pop a little more. Take my spoon and a mixing we will go. Put some lettuce inside the bell pepper. You can just put the mixture in there, but I want some lettuce and tomato on there. So yummy and fresh. Some tomato or tomato. Now spoon some of that yummy tuna mixture over the top. And the difference between these two sandwiches, the ham one I made before and this one, we're going to eat this one open-faced. I like an open-faced sandwich. And of course some grated cheese over the top. You don't have to do this, but you know me, I'm like a big mouse, a cheese lover. And there, my friends, is our open-faced bell pepper sandwich. Okay guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Now, which one do I start with? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ah. So I'm going to try the tuna one first. Now, here's the $1,000,000 question. How do I eat this? Well, like an elephant, one bite at a time, I guess. You know, these are good. You got that nice crunch to the pepper. And I like red bell peppers. They got that little bit of sweetness to them. And of course, the lettuce and that tuna mixture is really good. Let's take another bite here. So good. You got all your antioxidants in there. Great for a diet. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool recipes over there. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to click that sub button and hammer that like button if you like what you saw. Stay safe and see you next time.